Round up and round off. What is the difference between round up and round off? To round up means to assemble, to bring together, to apprehend. Okay? So that is the meaning of round up. I will give you an example. The police rounded up criminals at the junction. The police rounded up criminals at the junction. It means that the police apprehended criminals at the junction. But round off means to complete, to finish up. You have a task, you have a project you're working on, you are rounding off the project. To round off the project means to finish up the project, to complete the project. You can round off your project, you can round off your task, you can round off your work, but you do not round up your work. You do not round up your project. You do not round up a task. Okay, so now that you know the difference between the two, you use them where necessary. Thanks for watching.